Welcome to the Blooms and Herbs Garden. Spring is here and is a season of renewal and vibrant beauty, where gardens burst into life with colorful blooms. Happens to be my favorite season. There's nothing quite like the joy of walking through your garden, surrounded by fragrant flowers swaying in the breeze. But why let the beauty stay outside? Bringing those spring blooms indoors can add a touch of freshness and elegance to your home, and in so doing, extending their lives. Let's cut fresh blooms and transform them into stunning floral arrangements that bring the season's beauty indoors. Ready to get inspired? Watch this video for simple tips for longer-lasting flowers. Here's how to make the most of your garden's bounty and create stunning floral arrangements that last. Choosing the right blooms. Spring offers a delightful array of flowers perfect for cutting and arranging. Some favorites include tulips. Elegant and vibrant, tulips bring a splash of color to any space. Daffodils, cheerful and bright, they're the epitome of spring joy. Hyacinths, known for their sweet fragrance, they add a lovely scent to any room. Peonies, lush and full, peonies create a romantic and dramatic effect. Ranunculus, delicate and layered, they offer a soft, whimsical feel. When and how to cut your blooms. For the longest vase life, timing is everything. The best time to cut flowers is in the early morning or late evening when temperatures are cooler and the flowers are well hydrated. Follow these tips. Use sharp, clean scissors or pruning shears to avoid crushing the stems. Cut stems at an angle to allow better water absorption. 3. Immediately place the cut stems in a bucket of lukewarm water to prevent wilting. Preparing your flowers for the vase to ensure blooms last longer. Remove any leaves that will be submerged in water to prevent bacterial growth. Recut the stems at a slight angle just before rearranging them in the vase. Use clean, lukewarm water and change it every 2 days. 4. Add a floral preservative or a homemade mix of sugar, vinegar, and a tiny drop of bleach to nourish the flowers and keep bacteria at bay. Arranging tips for a stunning display. Creating a beautiful arrangement is all about balance and flow. Start with the greenery. This provides structure and fills gaps. Add focal flowers. Place the largest blooms first as they draw the eye. Layer in supporting flowers. These smaller blooms add texture and complement the focal points. Finish with delicate accents. Think wishy branches or small filler flowers for a polished look. Enjoying these beauties indoors. With your spring blooms beautifully arranged, place them in spots where they'll be admired but away from direct sunlight and heating vents to prolong their life. There's something magical about enjoying the colors and fragrances of spring inside your home. It's a simple yet delightful way to celebrate the season's renewal and bring the outdoors in. Ready to get started? Take a walk through your garden and gather your favorite blooms. Experiment with different combinations and don't be afraid to get creative. Whether it's a simple bunch of tulips or a lavish mix of peonies and ranunculus, your spring arrangements will brighten your space and lift your spirits. Happy gardening and happy floral arranging! Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more of these videos.